And about the S5, I'm not going through it again, since Dr. Ashton yesterday has told us. And about the development of the sensitive land use strategy, we're going to talk in the afternoon session. And about the capacity building, I want to mention, we were doing the capacity building for more than 1 month, and we have trained a trainer for more than 2,000, 3,000 people. I'm not sure about the exact number, but so many stakeholders, they were engaged, and this was a good, I can say, capacity building.
비디오 뜨고 들어가? 비디오 뜨고